Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Alright, we're going to take up the Flightline P-38 Lightning. Well, actually this isn't the Lightning though, is it? This is the P-38L in the Allied green.
Motors are on. Be careful.
Alright. Right, left, up, down, right, left. We'll talk about the flights and the rates and everything after I get done. Alright. Got an extra up flying right now, an E-Flight extra. Alright, it's Wednesday, so therefore I'm doing my
Starting the fun over.
My Warbird Wednesday review.
Gear is up. Time remaining 4 minutes.
You lose it? Okay, kind of a lower roll rate. I'll go the other way. All right, we're going to take it up now. Turn it over there.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right. This is only the third time I've ever flown this plane.
Retracts deployed.
So, not real familiar with it. Whoa.
Gear is up. Retracts deployed. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh. Uh-oh, I'm stuck on the, must have been a big anthill.
Props are secured. Safe to approach.
Uh-oh. 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 Oh. Well, Well, the infamous manufacturer lack of putting enough glue in the retracts. I've only landed this plane and took off on the runway, but as soon as I put her on the grass and they had any resistance on this, the grass out there, both retracts, mains, came out of their housing. Just the glue. It's just the glue's bad. See? That retract came out evenly, just not enough glue to hold it in. This one is the same way. It's bending back, but the retract itself is fine. All I gotta do is, so I just gotta go back in there and epoxy. Now the nose gear seems to be fine. Okay. Yeah. Gears work fine. Yeah. Gears are fine. Yeah, the gear are fine. It's just the glue. The glue gave out. The glue just both retracts just fell right out of their housing. Very easy fix. I'll just epoxy them, and we'll bring her back a different day because I want 24 hours for that epoxy to set up. But manufacturers, y'all have got to put better glue when you put these retracts in. I'm sorry, but you do.